state-of-the-art vending machine features a coin sorting mechanism attached to IR sensors that will tell you how much money has been inserted. We have two stepper motors driving the vertical movement using lead screws and threaded rods, while the horizontal movement is powered by a stepper motor and a belt. The servo then pushes the candy into the basket and brings it to your hands. Our front panel features a beautiful LCD display that tells you how much money has been inserted and prompts you to select an item using the buttons.
After waiting patiently, a nice message will appear after your item is delivered. Now let's see how the hungry college student claims their item.
Enjoy!